setting. And
am I the only one who finds this entertaining? Is it because I'm solo, alone, and I have no one to talk to and nothing better to do at sunset? I'm solo travelling, so there's no one around to take my attention or to go out dining with, so I wander alone and observe.
the sun is setting and they are packing up the jet skis and the boats, as you can see behind me. Let's have a look. Oh, I think they're going to add one more to the... It's a lot of jet skis. They're all jumping on for a ride. This is like the amusement park. Woo, looks like so much fun. Set, and they're packing up everything here. They're packing up the boats and the jet skis off the beach.
At Kamala Beach, tractors are used to set up the jet skis and to pack them away off the beach in the evenings. I love to be on the beach at sunset and just after sunrise. I walk a lot. I love to watch and observe local life setting up for the day and packing down for the evening. I've got no one to go out to breakfast with and no one to go out for dinner with, so I hit the beach. These local jet ski operators are playing soccer whilst waiting for the tractors to come. How cool is that? When it was their turn to hook up the jet ski, each one at a time, ran off to the water and got back to work and hooked up their jet ski. So the team of soccer players, football players, got smaller and smaller. I'm solo travelling. There's no one around to take my attention or to go out dining with, so I wander alone and observe. Observe the locals packing up for the day.
I love it when people wave to the camera. I really like it when locals love to wave to the camera and say hello. Hit that subscribe, bookmark me so you can find me again, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Enjoy the journey out there and stay safe every moment of it. Hit that like, hit that subscribe,